Cleansing your brushes is essential for keeping them in good shape, so I'm showing you how to clean your brushes using 2 new brush cleaners from EcoTools. They're Dermatologist tested for sensitive skin and free of parabens and phthalates. The EcoTools Makeup Brush Cleansing Cloths are perfect for minor cleaning and cleaning on the go. Just open the resealable flap on the package and grab 1 cleansing cloth. Use the cleansing cloth to gently wipe the bristles on your brush, removing any makeup and refreshing your brush. This is ideal for when you want to make a quick change in colors because the brush isn't left soaking wet. And for a deep clean, try the EcoTools Makeup Brush Shampoo. First, take your makeup brush and dampen the bristles to prepare. Then grab the makeup brush shampoo and squeeze out a small amount of the cleanser directly onto the brush. Using your fingers, work up a lather, allowing all the makeup to slip right off. Finally, rinse the bristles under running water until it runs clear. Give the brush a squeeze to remove any excess water and just set it down on a flat surface to dry. It's important to clean your brushes regularly to remove any bacteria and keep your brushes performing flawlessly. Use the wipes for daily cleansing and the shampoo for a deep clean once a week.